Alright, here's a close-up. Kind of give you a better look at what it looks like, what we're going to be starting with. So we're going to try to refinish it. See if we can get it cleaned up, make it look a little better. Got a lot of varnish built up. See if we can get all this off and try to restore it. Give it the best we can do. Yeah. Go ahead and get started on it. Alright, we're back. This is after it's all been sanded and cleaned up. So I was able to get almost all the varnish off. And so far it's looking pretty good. Got some spots you can kind of see there's a little bit yellow. Or some of it got really deep and I don't want to sand too deep. So right now I'm pretty happy with it. Let's say we got it all sanded down. Looks really good. The big difference in there was a ton of varnish on this side. It was really thick. The tips turned out really nice. They look really cool. So now it's just a matter of getting some clear back on it. Get it all protected. And that little scratch there, I wasn't able to get that out, but I don't want to go too deep again, so it's just going to have to stay. But I'm happy with it. I think it turned out pretty nice. I just wish you could get new stickers. I'm going to check into that and see if there's any chance. But we shall see. Alright, I'll be back to show you the final when it's all done. Thanks and God bless.